again to my channel, and in today's video, as you can see, we have a lot of paper bags and a lot of boxes behind me. So we're gonna have a massive luxury haul, guys. So we have, this is like really good deals. So I consider each and everything that I bought here is like a good deal, good value for money. So I want to recommend to you and I want to share with you. So we have here Saint Laurent, we have Dior, we have Louis Vuitton, we have Hermes as well, and of course I also have a beauty. So I'm gonna share with you my beauty products that I'm using, guys, and I'm so happy. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, and of course hit that notification bell so that you're gonna be the first one to know every time I'm posting a new video. And also leave me a thumbs up, it would really help my YouTube community. And without further ado, we're gonna start the unboxing. So we're gonna start with the beauty first. So I have here a Show You More box. I've been using this one for a long time, almost 6 years. This is just like the only, I cannot live without this beauty product, and I'm so happy to share with you. So I have here the Show You More Booster Black is called. So it is like, you know, 3 functions. So you also have like protective because it contains SPF 50++, and so this one only costs like $50 US, but I can use them for 3 months. So it's really good deal because, like, you know, this is already 3 effects, guy, primer, like a moisture, and of course like protection. So highly recommend Show You More. Another from beauty, so it's from Lemire, guys. So this is like also luxury. I got 2 items. So this one, I've been using this one for a long time already. So it's like, you know, retails for 4,450 baht, but now they have like a 10% discount. So it's about, I don't know how to calculate, maybe $120 US. So like this one is a lotion, so a treatment lotion. I'm so happy with it. I really recommend. That's why, like, you know, with my night cream, I changed now with Lemire as well. And I've been trying, like, you know, like the samples, and I'm so happy with the result, because like there is no whitening, but it's like, you know, moisturizer, like, you know, anti-aging, like anti-wrinkles. And yeah, so it's really, your skin is really lax. So this one is 60 ml, and it's like retails for 14,650 baht, but then they have the promotion now, 10% promotion. So let's gonna start with the Hermes. So with Hermes, it's my first time to buy a ready to wear from Hermes. So by the way, guys, all Hermes store here in Thailand is like, you know, almost empty. You have nothing to buy. So like, you know, even the H click or like bags, like even like leather goods, small leather goods, there's nothing left in the store now. So that's why, like, you know, when I come to the store, like, you know, I'm so frustrated. So I consider this one as well as a good value for money, because as we all know, guys, that ready to wear in like a luxury brand is always very expensive. And so I have here the Hermes polo shirt, and it's in white color, and then you have like some orange trimming around here and around the collar. And you also have here the metal, it's like it's a button, metal button, and it has like an Hermes print in there. And this is just like a simple polo shirt. So this is like, you know, 50% cotton and 50% polyester. I don't mind that. Like, you know, I wish it's like, you know, 100% cotton, but I think with the mix of polyester, it makes it like, you know, stronger and it lasts longer. So let's see, guys. I haven't wear it yet. That's why, like, you know, I cannot really say like any recommendation about this. But value for money, this is really good value for money, because like usually with the ready to wear, they are more expensive, especially like Louis Vuitton is almost double, triple the price, even for just a t-shirt or like anything, or even in Fendi, they are more expensive. And I saw a polo shirt from YSL, they are more expensive than this one, actually maybe 30% more expensive. So this one I paid sorry guys, I'm just looking downstairs underneath. So it's like 13,750 baht, so it's just like, you know, $410 US. So usually ready to wear is about 1,000. So like, you know, I don't understand that. But this Hermes polo shirt is just like more affordable than the usual luxury brand. This Louis Vuitton is actually not for me, it's actually for my son, but I will unbox it with you because like I don't think that he gonna watch my video, guys. So this one, I've been thinking, like, you know, I've been already given my daughter some like handbags and stuff like that, luxury handbags. But my son, he doesn't have any luxury item yet, so he's turning 21 in June. So like, you know, since I was in the shop, and then like I saw a lot of this kind of thing, so you know, I just take the opportunity to buy it before, like, you know, it's gonna be sold out again, or like, you know, have like another price increase. So here we have a beautiful packaging. I love them. And inside, you have a dust bag. So I have here the Louis Vuitton slender wallet. This is for men's, guys, and it made in the mirror print, but it's in gray and dark gray print. And then you have the Louis Vuitton here, and the same here on the other side. And when you open it, it's in leather. And you have here the Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And you have like 5 slots over here, and 5 slots over here as well. So you have like 10 key cards. And here inside, you have another leather, and you can put your money right here. And this is like really compact wallet, but this is like a proper wallet, but it's compact and slim, so it's just like easy to manage. And of course, like with the color as well, it's like more tolerable into like the tears and wear, guys. So, and I consider this one as a good value for money, because it's only cost like $450. So usually for the $450 for the ladies wallet, that is only like a card holder or a compact wallet. And usually, like, you know, like ladies wallet get into like even $700 or $800. So this one, I consider this one as a good value for money. So if you are like a lady and you want like more masculine wallet, this is also fine. So you just choose the regular prints, guys, like, you know, the regular monogram prints, or like, you know, the Damir Ibn or the Damir Azor, and it's like, you know, you're gonna get away from being like too masculine. And this one, I hope that my son gonna be very happy with this, and I supposed to give this one on him on his birthday on June. So I have a Dior bag here, and I'm always like fascinated how the Dior packaging is, because it's so luxe, it's so beautiful. So look at this. You have like, you know, you can hang this one in your Christmas tree, and their ribbons are really nice and cute. I really love that. It's so luxe. And inside, I have here a box, and we also have here the receipt. So let's unbox. Look at this. I'm really amazed with their packaging. It's so luxe, you know. So the ribbon, and of course, look at this. I don't want to destroy that one, so let's just like, and here we have the dust bag. And when we open it, we have here, it's called a Dior saddle wallet in medium size. So this is like, you know, also a compact wallet. So this is like how it looks like. So in a beautiful caramel color and gold hardware, anti-gold hardware. This is how it looks like in the front, and this is how it looks on the back. So as you can remember, guys, I also have like a saddle key holder, and I really love it. I love the material because this is like a beautiful lambskin leather. And here, when we open, you have two buttons here, and you also have like a zip compartment right here. And here, when you open it, you have like a couple of card slots, like 1, 2, and then 3, and then like, you know, 6 card slot. And here on the back as well, you also have a card slot here, which is like, you know, necessary when I have a wallet, because I always have put my my cards here that are like I always use a lot of time, so that I don't need to open my wallet. So this is very essential when, like, you know, this is one of the things that I choose this wallet. That's why I love my Zoe wallet as well, because it has like a pocket on the back. And here inside, this is how it looks like. It has a Christian Dior print over here, made in Paris. And then here, you also have where you put your money inside. And the lining inside, you have like a leather trimming there. And here, you also have like a fabric, shiny fabric lining here. So this is how it looks like. And then the zipper also, I show you. And then like, you know, also a fabric lining here. So yeah, so, and this is also like a good value for money, because comparison for a Louis Vuitton, for example, like a compact wallet like this, so the Zoe wallet in leather, it's already cost like 670, and this one I only get it for 600 US dollar. So like, you know, this is cheaper, like $70 cheaper. And then that Zoe wallet also, I don't really like it because it's an imprint leather, so I prefer a plain leather like this. And actually the Zoe wallet is smaller than this. And you know, they also have the Capucine XS, and which is like, you know, more expensive, and I believe that this leather is way better than that. So like, you know, the Capucine XS is cost 810 US dollar. So this one you save like already 210 US dollar, plus you get more of your money with this because it's bigger and you can put more cards and money with this one. So good value for money again. And the last thing that we're gonna unbox, this is the last thing, guys, don't worry. So I have here from Saint Laurent, and I believe this is really good value for money. Actually, I used them like maybe 3 times already. So in 1 week, guys, it's so strange that I used the handbag 3 times in just 1 week. So I have here the dust bag, and we have here, so what I have here is the Saint Laurent envelope textured pouch. So this one, this is how it looks like in like a creamy color, more on grayish, you know. It's not really white, it is more like, you know, with a gray tone undertone, and then like also have like a beige undertone. And you also have here the gold hardware, and here in the back this is how it looks like. And when we open it, it is like, you know, the leather, guys, is like textured, it's treated and textured. And when we open here, you have like a textured leather as well. And you also have here where you put your, what do you call this one, guys? Yeah, so that like, you know, you can hold like this. And you also have here the certificate, the, yeah, and then inside you have like a pocket here, and you can put your money here or some cards or something like that. That is the purpose of this one. And I should say this is a good value for money because I only paid for this 790 US dollars. By the way, I can convert this one as a handbag as well. I'm gonna show you a little bit while. But the envelope textured leather bag, the bag version of this one, which is like, you know, they have, you only have like so the bag version of this one, you have like a chain like this, is already 1,595 US dollars. So it's already double the price of this one. So this one I can convert them as well as a handbag. So I'm gonna show you. So you can do like as a clutch. I really, this is my main purpose because I don't really have a clutch in my collection, guys. And now that's why I keep wearing them, because like, you know, this is really, I just realized that pouch are more nicer to look with your outfit, especially during the night. And I can turn them as well as a crossbody bag. And usually with like YSL, the crossbody bag or like, you know, a wallet on chain is already about 2,000 US dollar. And then the bag version of this one with just missing the chain of this one, guys, is already double the price. So that's why I consider this one as a good value for money. So how to turn this one as a shoulder bag, guys? So I have here, this is from my Felicie Pochette chain. So I just attach here, and I also attach right here, 2 of them I attach there, and you cross like this. And when you, this is how it looks like as a shoulder bag. So this is my waistline, and the shoulder bag hits right here. So it's so comfortable to carry. And then if you're worried if you open it, like, you know, it's still like in place. So by the way, you can do like this, so it's still comfortable. And then crossbody, this is a little bit short, but it's just still okay, still forgiving. And if you use this one as like, you know, open it, still comfortable, just easy access to your stuff. And this is the handbag looks like. It's a clutch, this is how it looks like. And then you can hold like this, so cute. And then you can also, like, you know, during the night time for dinners, you just take out the strap and then you carry this way, so cute. And that way. So let's find out what can fit in this beautiful pouch. So let's open. Look at how it looks like inside. So we can still have like having an alcohol, just like a small alcohol. Of course, my key clay and my compact wallet, my Dior compact wallet. And I have my car key here which is like necessary. And of course, it can also fit a bigger iPhone. This is like a bigger iPhone, guys. So it can still fit in there, like comfortably. For others, they have this handbag, like, you know, with organizer there. But for me, and then, like, you know, with the organizer, they have like, they put like the ring like this, and then they can do like a crossbody. But for me, I don't need that because I find another solution to just put in here, so I don't have a problem with that. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for the love and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and till the next video, guys. Bye. See you.